Huey 360 here. It's been a while, but we're gonna be back on here regularly, hopefully, as we go along. Today we are venturing out to go see the Big Boy train. Make some stops here in Missouri. Gonna go check it out. Brought the mini-me with me, so he can get to see it because he loves trains. So let's make our way down. We're gonna try to catch up with it somewhere down south. Not sure where yet, but we're gonna figure that out when we get there because we know where the stops are and where the train's going. And let's go. Okay, we're rolling into the train station here. Looks like everybody's out here to see the Big Boy. Woohoo! What a crowd! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! That is a crowd and a half. Let's go see here. If we can find a spot. I don't know if we can find a spot or not, but we'll get to see the Big Boy. Let's see if we can find a parking spot. All right. We're ready to go see the train. You ready to go see the train?
Yes.
Big train?
Yes.
All right. Ready to go see the big train. Should be here anytime now. You ready? Ready? Right. Here it comes. Whoa. What'd you think? It was loud, wasn't it? That was very loud. It's okay. All right, we gotta go follow it. We just had a nice leisurely lunch at a Firehouse Subs. Pretty good salads, actually, they have there. So now we're headed 50 west towards Kansas City. Actually, we're gonna meet up with the train. We don't think we're gonna catch it in Lee Summit because we're a little bit behind. But there is a road that's kind of parallel to it, just northwest of Lee Summit. And we're going to try to see if we can't catch it up and roll along with it. Maybe get some good footage of it. And then later on, once it rolls into Kansas City, we'll go there and we can actually get to see it up close, which will be kind of cool. I know he's going to enjoy it, the mini-me. So let's travel along 50 and let's get there. We got about a little under 50 minutes to go, so we got to catch up with it pretty quick. Let's go. Well, according to the Google Maps and the tracker, we hit up with it in Lee's Summit, and it's going to be passing through there, so we'll be able to see it there and get another good glimpse of it. Just wondering how many people are going to be there. I mean, and Warrensburg was a really big crowd. I don't think the camera captured it quite good enough. So let's head to Leesville. Let's head to Lee's Summit once again and catch up with it there. Well, unfortunately, we didn't get here to Lee's Summit in time, but we got plan B. We're going to go catch up with it like we planned on before. I was thinking maybe, just maybe, we're going to get here in time. And we got here in time. We just didn't get here quite fast enough to see it. We passed over the tracks, and so we're going to go catch up with it as it's rolling along. Like I said, there's a road that's parallel to it, so let's go catch up to it. Alright, looks like we caught up with it. Should be coming that way here shortly. Careful. Here, just keep your hands up there. We're going to watch it right there.
I was expecting it to be an hour ahead of the big boy like they said, but no, they got smoke too.
Oh, alright, there he comes.
There it is.
There it is. See it? There it is.
There it is.
You gotta wave hi to him, okay? Wait. Here in just a minute. Look there.
Oh my
Look.
God, it's really slower than I expected.
Yeah, it looks like about 30, maybe 30, 40 miles an hour. There it is. You gotta start waving. Very loud. Put gears on. Put gears. Let's go see it on the other side. Come on. There it goes. All right. There it goes. So see all the steam and smoke. Woo, that was awesome. All right, we're gonna go catch up with it in Kansas City. Whew. Man, is that an experience or what? We're on. I know, right, Bubba? Right. So me and Mini-Me, we're gonna go try to catch up with it one more time before it lands in Kansas City. Hopefully. It's moving pretty good. Looks like 30 to 40 miles an hour, maybe. I could be wrong, but it's moving along. So we're gonna go try to catch up with it one more time before we actually go see it. In about an hour or so. It's supposed to land in Kansas City. So Let's go find it. Well, unfortunately, we missed it. We just missed it by that much. So, we're gonna fuel up, do some restroom breaks, and then we're gonna head on to Kansas City to see the big boy train.
Wow.
You ready to go see the big boy train? Huh? You ready to go see it? You excited, aren't you?
Yeah.
He's right in the cheeks. So, we're gonna get some fuel lean. Take us up, use the bathroom, and get a seat here in about 30 minutes to an hour, somewhere in there. So, and go from there. All right, we're fueled up and everything's ready to go. So about a little less than 30 minutes to head into Kansas City. According to the map, it's on time, I guess. Let's see. So it's supposed to arrive around 5:30. So in about 40-50 minutes, so a little less than an hour. So we can go see it in person. Well, just not in person, but we can get to go see it up close. So let's head out that way and see how busy it's going to be, because I have a feeling it's going to be kind of busy, because they got a showing tomorrow too. Let's just go see and kind of wing it at this point. Alright, we have arrived. It is already here, so now we get to go see it up close and personal. It's right over there. You can see. He is excited. So we're gonna go see the train up close for a little bit. It's been a journey, let me tell you. Woo, man. It has definitely been a journey. Let's go look. Hang on. Oh, there he goes. There is definitely a crowd. There we go. We're gonna get close as we can. Hang on. Hang on to my hand. Yeah, we're gonna get up close to it. Just a minute. All right. Come on up here. Oh, yep, there it is. It's a big train. Pretty cool, Logan, isn't it? Oh, right there. All the water. Here it is. Right. See all the water coming out? Right there. Wow. All right. One more time.
Get up, boss.
All right. We got other people. Let's go see. See? Think we good? How are you doing? Yeah. Yeah. What do you think about it, Bubba? Yeah, you liked it, didn't you? It's pretty cool, huh? Get to see a big old choo-choo train. Yep. It's big. See all the steam? See all the steam coming out there? Coming on the top. Alright, we've seen the big old engine. We got a couple of diesel electrics. Looks like maybe one pulling it, pushing it. We're right there. And on the back of the train. We got a few cars here and there. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yeah, you got to see the train, didn't you? The big boy train, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, real excited. Alright, well that's definitely been an adventure. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe. Just let me know what you think. And we'll be putting out a lot more videos here pretty soon. A few adventures and here and there. And definitely more trains to come, I'm sure. So, but we'll see you in the next video, and hopefully it won't be too much longer. So, we'll see you.